Good Monday morning, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend. Enjoy the quiet weather that we will be seeing today because our next winter storm arrives tomorrow afternoon, and with it we'll likely see several inches of accumulating snowfall. Already winter storm watches out that are posted for Tuesday night into Wednesday. But today, very quiet. We're looking nice outside with a mix of clouds and clear skies. We'll see temperatures that'll be a little above the average because we're already near 30 in some spots. But notice how temperatures are kind of all over the place. You've heard me talk about it several times this winter. Where you see clouds, you have warmer temperatures. They trap yesterday's heat here at the surface. Where you see clear skies, that heat radiates back out into space. So that's why it's 17 in Alma with the clear skies, but 25 with the partly cloudy skies in Flint, 30 in Saginaw, 29 in Bay City, clear skies in Lexington at 19, but cloudy at 28 in Tawas and also in Bad Axe, 28 degrees in Clare this morning. So we'll see these temperatures getting into the mid to upper 30s today with some of that sunshine scattered about throughout the afternoon. We'll see clouds beginning to increase out west late tonight into tomorrow. That's in association with our next winter storm, and that next winter storm well away from the area right now, but we are seeing some snow already just to the southwest of Des Moines through Kansas, also eastern Nebraska, but mainly affecting the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles this morning, where the last observation that I saw coming out of Amarillo, which is right about there, 55-mile-per-hour wind gusts, heavy snow, zero visibility. So a very powerful blizzard ongoing right now across the southern plains. It will pick up a lot of moisture out of the Gulf over the next 24 hours, and that's when we can start to expect some of that moisture to make it in here by 2, 3, 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So Futurecast keeps us quiet today. We'll start to watch some clouds from time to time moving in and about the area. Tonight will be mostly cloudy, especially as we head towards sunrise tomorrow. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, the Ohio River starting to see a lot of rain mixed with sleet and freezing rain in the Ohio River Valley. Then it heads north. And this is noon, still quiet. 3, 4, 5 o'clock. That's when we start to see the scattered snowfall with a little bit of a mix south of Interstate 69 expected, mainly towards the Interstate 94 corridor. So for most of the area, we'll expect all snow, but there is the possibility of a little bit of warm air wrapping in aloft, and that could change some of the snow falling from the upper levels to a little bit of rain. It will not have enough time to refreeze back into a snowflake here at the ground, so we could see some sleet, especially along and south of Interstate 69 tomorrow afternoon. But I do feel that most of this will be snow, and because of that, again, winter storm watches are now in effect. They go into effect tomorrow beginning at 4 p.m., and that's for every county across the thumb, the Interstate 69 corridor, Interstate 75, until you head north of Pinconning and Standish up towards Tawas, Oscoda, West Branch, Houghton Lake. Right now, not under the winter storm watches because the heaviest snowfall is actually expected to develop in the central part of the thumb and also the rest of the mitten. So we're looking at about 4 to 8 inches of snowfall, give or take an inch or two here through Flint. Saginaw, I think, will be closer to 5 to 6 inches of snowfall. North of Saginaw and Bay City, we're expecting lower amounts as, again, the heavier swath looks like right now it'll set up along Interstate 69 just to the north and just to the south of it. And if you head down to Ann Arbor and Detroit, that's where we'll see a little bit less of accumulation because of the mixing that will be ongoing with some of the rainfall, as temperatures will be a little bit warmer to the south. However, this is not set in stone. There's still a lot of questions as far as where the heavy snow band is going to set up. Will some of that warm air make it to Interstate 69 and lower the totals? So this is not set in stone. We still have a little bit of uncertainty to talk about with this, so please tune in tomorrow morning beginning at 5 where I'll have the latest. And of course, you can check in tonight with Chief Meteorologist Ty Shesky to see what the latest thinking is with him as well. Now, as we go to Wednesday into Thursday, we become more scattered with the snow showers, more of a lake effect pattern, but the heaviest snowfall will fall from about 5 p.m. tomorrow to about 5 a.m. Wednesday, and then it'll become lighter with intermittent snow showers off of Lake Michigan lasting into your Thursday, and then it looks like an Arctic air mass moves in behind this system with temperatures well below average for the first couple of days of March.